Our journey begins in the sustainable cactus fields.
Harvesting the pads without harming the plant.
Collecting the raw material for processing. A crop that thrives in arid climates.
Transporting nature to the factory.
The first step of the transformation. Thorough cleaning for purity.
Preparing the cactus for extraction.
Creating a consistent pulp base.
Extracting the valuable mucilage. Nature's own absorbent gel. Utilizing every part of the plant.
Testing natural absorbency levels. Replacing chemical polymers with nature. Blending with other sustainable fibers.
Forming the eco-friendly core. A soft, chemical-free layer takes shape. Compressing for optimal fit. Precision cutting the absorbent pads. Preparing for the assembly line.
Weaving the soft top sheet. Silky soft for a baby's skin.
Unrolling the skin-friendly layer.
Making a waterproof yet breathable back. Printing with safe, natural inks.
The sandwich assembly begins.
Thermal bonding for purity. A continuous stream of eco-diapers.
Adding elastic for leak protection.
Ensuring a comfortable, secure grip.
Applying the secure fasteners.
Computerized quality inspection.
Cutting out the final shape.
Separating the finished product. Detailing the anti-leak cuffs.
Ready for the final phase.
Automated stacking process.
Orienting for packing.
Human oversight on the line.
Plastic-free packaging material.
Heat sealing the bundle.
Protected and ready to ship. Labeling the eco-credentials.
Recycled boxing for shipping.
Sealing with paper tape. Sorting for global distribution. Heading to the warehouse.
Palletizing the order.
Securing the load.
Stocking the supply chain.
On the way to families.
The final product in hand.
Breathable and natural.
Choosing the better future.
From Cactus to care.
Sustainability starts at the source. Innovative processing techniques. Maximizing natural potential.
Gentle touch technology.
Efficient and clean manufacturing.
Rigorous safety checks. Designed for movement. Eco-conscious packaging. Ready for the world.
Comfort for your little one. Pure ingredients, pure care.
Trusted by parents. A factory of the future. Scientifically proven.
Superior liquid retention.
Hypoallergenic and safe.
Leaving no trace behind.
Better for the planet.
It all comes back to nature. Clean processes for a clean product.
Consistency in every batch.
layer-by-layer construction.
Strong bonds without chemicals. Robotics ensuring precision. Automated efficiency. Freshness sealed in. Secure and ready. Stability for transport. Distributed globally. Renewable resources. State-of-the-art facility.
Feel the difference.
A commitment to the earth. The complete cycle.
For the next generation.
Sustainable harvest.
Performance verified.
Proudly made.
From the earth to the baby.
Natural processing.
Safe ingredients.
Soft layers.
Perfect shape.
Eco-wrap.
Recycled box.
On the move. Available for you.
Beauty in nature.
Easy to use.
Secure fit.
Moves with baby.
Silky touch.
Absorbent core.
Day's end.
Night falls.
Choose wisely.
Thanks for watching.